James, what's the scrappiest legal defense you've used to protect a client?
So a key piece of evidence in the case was where my client was sitting in relation to another person. And the judge didn't like my client. And so I had a witness on the stand who had witnessed what had happened. I approached the witness stand and I said to this young woman, I'm going to move backwards. And when I get to the distance that my client was from you, I want you to tell me to stop. She was about 3 feet away from my client. And the other side was trying to say that they were much further apart, like 9 feet away. It would be catastrophic for my case if they were 9 feet away, but 3 feet away, my case is gold. I start moving back. I get about 3 feet away and she goes, stop. And I go, okay, so just to be clear, where I'm standing right now is how far from you my client was on the date of the incident. She says, yes. So I said, Your Honor, if the record could reflect my distance from the witness. Judge says, yeah, the record will reflect you're about 7.5 feet away. I said, I'm sorry, Your Honor, respectfully, I am nowhere near 7 feet away. I'm about 3 feet away. Well, Mr. Sexton, do you have a tape measure? Because if you don't have a tape measure, then the record's going to reflect what I'm saying. So I immediately laid down on the floor, stuck my feet against the witness stand. I said, Your Honor, I'd like the record to reflect I am laying on the floor, my feet are against the witness stand, and the distance where I was standing is to my knees. I am 6'2". It is about 3 feet. Judge went, Mr. Sexton, get off the floor right now. But I got it in the record. And when we took a break, opposing counsel, who's a lawyer I've dealt with before, she just looked at me and she went, I've been doing this a long time and I have never seen anyone lay down on the floor of a courtroom. That is a first and probably be the last time I've ever seen it. It's the last time I ever had to do it, but it really was like by any means necessary.